Insight 4. Better get insured while you're still bulletproof. When we're young, we tend to think we're unbreakable, bulletproof. It's only once we hit 35 or so and we start to hear of contemporaries suffering major illnesses or conditions that it tends to dawn on us that actually we're not. That maybe it's time to get properly insured, and with good reason. From the age of 35, insurance claims really start to soar. That's why we say to all our clients that it's better to get properly insured while you're still young and healthy, typically before you turn 35. Insurance is much more complicated than people think. That's why the DIY insurance path is so littered with disasters, and there's so much at stake. If you don't already have an integrated life protection plan, then it's time to get one. From a professional advisor with the expertise and experience to get it right and keep it right.